Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, as you know, if you know, I like to show what I'm buying and why on AliExpress, because then you can make your decision, and I can pin comments down below under the video if what I bought was not worth spending money or actually it was a good value. So today we got this from my regular supplier, should be charging port. We will look at it last. And these things came, maybe I'll share the screen, I'll show you what it was first. Let's switch to this one and let's get it. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. That's the one. Okay, so let's confirm receipt. We've got this tool. You see that should cost $296, this 592, this 296, this should cost £296, and this 296. So total I would pay far more. Yes. We'll confirm receipt. Yes. But I paid only $488, and you might be wondering why. Because this is a part of the choice. So if you've got those offers at AliExpress, you save up money. So this time I paid only $488. Here as well I paid only $611. So in that case, you can save up a lot of money. Let's switch to what I see here so that you can as well. You see it's too bright. You should see better now. Okay, so first sip of a coffee. This I bought because I bought a bike for my wife. So because I was ordering my stuff and I've seen it over there, I said, oh, why not, like £3 or something. And of course you can if you know how, you can open it without knowing the password. Yes, but for the basic security it's fine. So that's for the bike. So that was not needed. Yes. Now I was short at least one pen drive for myself, so I bought a 32 gigabyte pen drive, which how much they did charge? Well, it was $488 for all of those, so no question. But it's $296, 32 gigabytes of data should be. We can check if that's the case or not. It's a really slim one, really tiny. Let's plug it in and see if it will show up. Because I've got pen drives usually bought at Asda, Kioxia, and I'm paying £5 when they are in the promotion. If I really have to, I'll pay like £7, and usually they are 16 or 32 gigabytes nowadays. So yeah, now this is a universal tool, which is 3 to 8, and here on the other side is, the light is not showing, 8 to 17. So I've got a bunch of those flat ones here, and I thought, get them down to the storage cupboard, yes, and have here only one with all my tools which hanging on the wall. It's too dark, sorry, I will move the mic, this camera, yes, so they are hanging here, and I thought I can add as well this, so then it will not make me so much mess as all those over there are doing. So it just save space, and then when you're going on a bike and you want to have tool with yourself, I will see how robust it is, and if it's good enough, then I would look for a second one and I would buy the second one. I could only buy one of those, yes, because that's the AliExpress choice policy. So yeah, it is what it is. Now this mat, I got it here, yes. I've lost my one somewhere when I was moving stuff, tidying up, so I got second one. Well, that's good because I need something second one I didn't have, and I need to find my one. If I find my one, then I can I can maybe find someone who will be using it. But these should last up to 500 degrees. Believe it or not, it won't last up to 500. Put 500 degrees on your hot air, start to solder something on top, and you'll see that it will go off. So watch out, even if you buy those cheap mats. Unfortunately, they are not really thick. Yes, they are thin. I would say 2 millimeters, maybe 2 to 3 millimeters, like this, like digital, like a display for the telly. Yeah, roughly the same, like the telly. So it's not really great, like awesome, but it's good enough to do the job. And these ones, if you fix mobiles or tablets, I wanted to buy it like a long time ago, because I'm using clamps from Lidl, and they are a bit annoying. So yeah. Okay, you turn it on and then turn it down, and then it's expanding, and so you see, so you get 4 of them from every corner, you can say, and you can grasp the screen. So, you know, for like £4, and it's unbelievable, you know, like £4.88, so many goodies. Yes, so these are perks pretty much, you know, these are not regular purchases. You go on AliExpress, you can't buy them for £4.88 total. The mat will cost you like £3 or something alone. These ones on their own, they cost even much more. Again, you know, it's an occasion at choice. So yeah, 4 pieces adjustable alloy clip. Yes, if I look at them, oh sorry, design item is no longer available. They were for £6. £5.92, guys. So I'll copy the same text. Okay, adjustable alloy fixture, clamp, phone, LCD screen. Okay, that's enough, that's more than enough. Should result in something on AliExpress. Okay, I've got those which okay, I'll share the screen, will be better. Okay, so I've got those like here, I mean, yes, 476. You don't see my, okay, now you see. I've got those, yes, so I wasn't happy. This one is 244. This is a nice, good one. I need to send it to Alan. Maybe he wants to buy it as well. But these, look, metal clamp. Oh, these are £6, 385 or something. Yes, 385. Screen fastening clamp. That's a single one plus shipping. Yes. Now, if you want to buy 4 adjustable, 615 plus VAT, of course. Yes. So you pay almost £10. That's why when I've seen it over there, you know, it was like, wow, super cheap, and that's why I'm calling them perks, because you know, come on, you can't buy in the regular price those. It's impossible. Yes, and you couldn't buy 2 even. But this is cheap, you know, like 244, and that's plus VAT. We're talking about £3 plus shipping, £4. This is really, you know, really good product, because I bought it already. So yeah, now next, this is 32 gig, 296 again, but all of this was only 480, so you know, no problem. Yeah, like super cheap. Now we've got them. Let's pack them up. Okay, because I don't need them all the time. They are nice, but you know, like, I don't need them all the time. And that should be my March order from my supplier of charging ports, because those who don't know, every month, yes, every month, it's 29, so soon will be second order. Okay, so ports came. These are 2020 models of phone charging ports. Where is the I've got even models which you can't buy on eBay, you need to buy from China, so I will be probably posting them somewhere so that people can buy from me. The whole list, I'll put the whole list, I'll switch again to the screen. The whole list will be this spreadsheet. Okay, so in the spreadsheet you go to the USB ports tab, okay, and in the USB ports, I don't know if you can, oh okay, sorry, it's me being dafty. You see USB ports at the bottom here, and if you will go and click it, you'll know. But what I'm trying to say is, look, these are Samsungs, okay, and these are ports for, I will put brands because now we will have more brands, and I'm buying every month more. Now there is no Huawei 10 and 10 Pro. I couldn't see it, you know, in the on eBay. Yes, I couldn't get it on eBay. I've got 10 of them now because I've got a customer here to fix 10 Pro display when he'll come back to the UK. And you know, if you can't get it here with my monthly order, I've ordered it. But those which came now are from 2020. That's first part. That's Motorola. That's S20 Ultra, 10 pieces. A something one, I don't know, T500, T875. So these are LG, I think. And G8 and so on. Yes, so we get a lot of charging ports. Now, people saying that they want to buy boards and replace boards instead of soldering. Yes, well, I see no problem with that, but just keep in mind, we throw more electronics this way, and if you don't learn like soldering, micro soldering, you don't have progress. So my idea is to, you know, to replace the port only, the small port. I'm doing it, yes, and it's robust. It's really robust. All you need is a bit of better quality microscope. It's not, doesn't have to be the greatest. If you can't afford with a stand and pay about £100, you can always buy only the, I'll move, will be a bit louder, sorry. You can buy only this part on AliExpress and this part, yes, if you can't afford it. So optics and the microscope. And then you've got different connectors. I've chosen with a VGA and with HDMI, and that's full HD. So soldering iron is just a few quid, so it's not a problem. But at the end of the day, if you've got it, you can create some mount yourself. Be creative. If you can't be creative enough, ask other people to help you out and just let them. Then yes, you will struggle because you will have no light, yes? And that's true, yes, that's totally true. But if you can afford £100 again, you can buy it and you can have it all. So you see, up to you if you wanna save up more or you wanna spend enough. That's about £100, and then learn, you know, learn microelectronics and then replace ports rather than boards. And even when you, let's say, even if you could, yes, even if you could, how you call it, even if you could get the power board from the customer and replace it, yes, that will be cheaper for the labor cost, but that will be dear for the board, because sometimes these boards cost over £10 or £15, yes, and 10 of these ports cost pennies, you know, like few quid for 10 of them. So they are not dear. So one, you are mastering your soldering skills. Two, you will make a bit more because you've got now these ports. Now I will be putting them into our store, Okay, so everybody who's with Inte.Team, they will be able to buy it off our Inte.Team store. And I'm thinking to add account client as well, so that people from the street can buy them as well. There will be two prices for members and regular prices. Yes, so the members prices, I will try to always go down with them. The regular prices will be just the market prices which I can find lowest. Yes, so those will be, so for members will be better deal. But that's it. Okay, so anyway, that's all I can show you. Every month I'm adding to this list. Now this will be added as well. Once now will be second order in April for the rest of the 2020 models, and then I will order phone charging ports from 2021, which were released in the UK in May. Yes, and I'm buying like about £20 plus VAT plus shipping cost, like usually it's like that, so that, you know, after a few months I will have all of them, the ones which were released in the UK and even beyond, to be true, because there are some Oppo, let's say, which I don't see here a lot. I see, but I don't see a lot. So yeah, probably I will add those as well, because members of our community at Inte.Team can have clients from Poland, from other countries, yes, Germany and so on, and then, you know, they might need those ports. So I was thinking, you know, to add all of the ports. And then when 21, 22 will be done, we will go for tablets, and we will do the same stuff from 2020 to 2023 releases. We will be getting all the ports for tablets as well. So we will stock up properly, yes, and then after that we will check which HDMI ports we don't have, and we will stack up those ones as well, and then so on and so forth. Yes, those small components which, you know, are not big ones, we will try to have in stock all the time. That's it, guys. Hopefully you see a value out of it. If you can, leave a like button. Here's likes to use, thank you. You see, buying from AliExpress when you run electronics repair shop, even from home like myself, it's worth, because sometimes you can get one item you want to buy and you've got all of those rest for free. If you just watch, you follow, you are, yes, and you observe, you can really find those like 488 or something, you know. It's like, wow, really? Some, yeah, 488, 5 items, 488. I wanted one, but I found 5 items in total which really are needed. They are not something that, you know, we won't use it, it will just lie. Some of them are like that, but it's not many of them. Like the scales, you know, we will use them maybe once or twice per year. Yes, there are those items, but like pen drive, I'm transferring data all the time. I want to see if it's recognizable in the counter, and we can disconnect the video. And yeah, USB drive. Okay, so PC. You have 29.2 it's showing, so 29.2 gigabyte. That's enough, because I'm transferring data, and then, you know, I'm making an archive for customers and so on. So it's really needed. Yes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye bye.